If your business strategy feels like a jigsaw puzzle, it's time to piece it together with our 10-step consulting guide. Step 1. Discovery phase. Get to know your client's business like the back of your hand. Ask questions, gather data, and understand their goals. Step 2. Analysis and planning. Break down the info you've gathered and plan your strategy. Think Sherlock Holmes, but for business. Step 3. Semi-structured interview. Have a chat with key stakeholders. Keep it casual but focused. You're uncovering hidden gems here. Step 4. Solution design. Craft a tailored solution for your client's needs. Think outside the box. Step 5. Risk assessment. Identify potential pitfalls and plan for them. Better safe than sorry, right? Step 6. Implementation strategy. Lay out the roadmap for executing the plan. Clear steps, clear success. Step 7. Long-term vision. Help your clients see the big picture. Where do they want to be in 5 years? Step 8. Deliverables and summary. Wrap up your findings and solutions in a neat package. Clarity is key. Step 9. What's next after the initial consulting? Offer ongoing support and check-ins. Be their partner in progress. Step 10. Want to outsource your project to us? We've got your back. Contact us today. Stay tuned for more consulting tips. You've got this.